Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Yeah, you're seeing me completely naked faced. It's Sunday and I just did not feel like wearing makeup today. I often don't wear a lot of makeup, I'll be honest. Just on the day-to-day I will, do my brows or wear some mascara or something, but lately it's just on the weekends I kind of take a break from makeup, which means I'm not filming, which means I'm not consistent, which means you guys are like, oh, random video, here we go. So I apologize for that, but I won't apologize for not wearing makeup. I am going to do kind of like a try-on thing, as you can tell by the title. My sister got me this, I think it was for Christmas or my birthday or one of the two, which kind of are 2 months apart, so in that winter time frame. She got me this really cute little lip kit, and I already took it out of the packaging, but it's this Tattoo Junkie metallic lip paint and effects, and this one's called Gold Digger. See? Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like when you, or this is what the products look like when you take them out. There's a pigment, and then there's a long-lasting smudge-proof lip color, which is kind of like a coppery rose goldy kind of color, and the pigment is also more of a rose gold type of gold. So I wanted to try these on and play around with them, just because why not? I like playing around with makeup, and a lot of times I don't play around with makeup or give
screen door, so these random bugs are flying. Okay, my hair now looks like poo. Alright, whatever. This is just real life, right?
Alright, so my lips are in pretty good condition. I'm wondering if we have, so it says start with clean dry lips, so I will not put my EOS on. And it says shake the tube of the lip color. I don't know what this does, but we'll see. So I've never been a huge fan of liquid lipsticks, I'll be honest. There's some that I like, but if you're a longtime viewer of my channel, you'll know that I'm not a huge fan of them. And I'm kind of glad that they're going away, or at least they're not as trending. Whoa, that is brilliant. Okay, but we are going to try this out. Or rather, I am going to try this out. It has a really nice scent. It's kind of like vanilla? Like vanilla cupcake or something. Metallic lips on me. Not necessarily my favorite thing. Why am I trying to talk when I'm doing this? I don't know. That tickles. It tickles so much. It tickles. It tickles. And because my lips are slightly uneven, I have to be really careful. It's still a little wet. Let's see if I can get this little cap off without spilling or exploding glitter everywhere. Now, is this glitter or is this pigment? I mean, there's a little bit of a difference between the two. Whoa, it's sparkly pigment. Look at that color, it's so pretty. Alright, really fast. This is so shimmery and metallic. I don't know that I wouldn't wear this on the day-to-day. Alright, and I'm just going to use my finger. Whoa, and dab this in the center. That's pretty. That is really pretty and very shimmery. I got some on my nose and my chin. This is fun. So Steffi, if you're watching, here's what it looks like on me. It's very in your face, shimmery. For liquid lipstick, it's kind of sticky too, so it kind of does what the Paris Hilton ones were doing. But I mean, I think it's just kind of fun to play around with it. From my viewfinder, I keep looking at my viewfinder, so I apologize. It's kind of like not centered me looking at you guys or looking at the camera, but from a distance it makes my lips look really like chapped. I think that's just how they lay on the lips. They bring out the textures, but I do like how shimmery and bold, so I feel like I am the tin woman. Well, maybe the copper woman, not tin. Maybe I can be the copper woman. Can we make that a thing? Of course it's a plane flying, whatever. I live nowhere near the airport, yet planes fly above my house all the time. I just kind of have to get used to it. But I am planning to move in the next, whenever I can buy a house. I know I keep talking about it, but my goal is to try to get a house by this fall, or make an offer this fall. if you're interested in the buying process, I have a couple of other YouTube channels. In case you weren't aware, you should go check them out. If you like DIY and cooking and art and that kind of stuff, crafts, then you can check out my Reese's Pieces channel. I've rebranded it because I just wanted it to fully encompass me. And that's how you say my last name. It's Weiss, not Weiss. Weiss, and it's kind of like Reese's Pieces, but Reese's Pieces. See the little play on words there? But yeah, go check out my Reese's Pieces channel for videos like that. And then I have a vlog channel, and I haven't really uploaded much there. I did Vlogmas around the holidays, and then I kind of fell off the YouTube vlogging wagon, and then I uploaded a random travel video recently, which is 2 years old. But anyway, I'm going to be uploading some new content to that channel. There we go. That's not just about, it's not just about vlogs and that sort of stuff. I work not necessarily a white collar job, but I work for a pretty large tech company here in Seattle. No, it's not Amazon. And I have learned a lot about how to break through a glass ceiling for women, and I've been thinking about this a lot and doing more business coaching, but on YouTube. I used to be a freelance business consultant and coach years ago, and occasionally I still offer kind of like this one-off information as it comes, but I really have a passion for it, and I haven't really utilized that in a long time. So I think I might start doing workshops, or I might start doing videos about that kind of stuff and how to move up in the corporate world on my personal channel, so go check it out, Emily's Weiss. And where I'm also just going to be opening up and uploading more regular content that seems not beauty or makeup related or that kind of industry related, and it's not really creative, it's more just about me. So if that's something that interests you, you should go subscribe to that too. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go rock these lips or something. I feel like it needs a lip liner so that the lips don't get lost. Hold on. I am gonna add a lip liner. I'm gonna use NYX Slide on, Glide on, Stay on, and Definitely a Turn on Waterproof Extreme Color Liquid, or Extreme Color Lip Liner. This lip liner is so good the name had to be this long. I never even noticed that before, but that's hilarious. It's basic. This is called Dark Soul. Ooh, it sounds so vampy and creepy at the same time. But it's kind of a wine color, which I think would be kind of pretty to contrast with these lips. I know it looks a little weird right now because it's such a random color contrast, but I promise you it's going to look better in a second here because I'm going to blend it. It's a little bit better. It's a little bit odd too, but I kind of like the oddity of it. Alrighty. I don't know. It's definitely not a lip look I would wear on the daily. Kind of reminds me of Gryffindor now. It's like that gold with the red, you know? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Gryffindor. Although I'm not Gryffindor, I'm a Ravenclaw. Or Hufflepuff. I've taken the quiz like multiple times and it's a mix between Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw. So who knows? Anywho, I hope you guys find this video kind of interesting. What's your take on the metallic lips? Do you like them? Do you think you're happy that it's back to glosses and lipsticks versus liquid lipstick? Leave a comment below, and I want to see which one wins. And let me know if you think I should wear this out, like somewhere cool, like a club. Not that I ever go to clubs or anything, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you know when my new videos are posted. And I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I'll see you next time.